With the holiday season just around the corner, it's time to spread joy without breaking the bank.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to create a holiday budget that keeps you in the festive spirit without the financial stress. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Hi, my name is Loretta and I work with Quantum Zenith Asset Management. First things first, assess your financial situation. Take a look at your income, your expenses, or any existing debt. Understanding your financial landscape is critical for making a realistic budget.
Step 1. Set a total budget. Now that you know where you stand financially, set a total budget for the festive season. This includes gifts, decorations, or any other expenses you have in mind.
Step 2. Prioritize your expenses. What are the must-haves for this holiday season? You allocate a portion of your budget for gifts, travels, and other essential ones. And this will help you focus on what really matters to you and your loved one.
Step 3. Make a gift list. Create a list of all of your loved ones you intend to spend on this festive season. Do not forget to assign a budget to each person. This will help you avoid overspending and stay on track.
Step 4. Plan for decoration and meals. Factor in the cost of decoration and festive meals. Whether you are attending a gathering or having a dinner party, planning ahead will help you control your spend.
Step 5. Look for deals and discounts. Many stores offer special deals during the festive season, like sales, discounts, and promotions. This will help you save costs and maximize your savings.
Step 6. Consider DIY options. Get creative with do-it-yourself gifts and decoration. Not only are these more meaningful, but they can also be budget-friendly. Pinterest and other creative platforms can be great sources for inspiration.
Step 7. Track your spending. As you make purchases, keep track of your spending. Whether you use a budgeting app or use a simple spreadsheet or taking notes on your phone, monitoring your expenses will make you stay within your budget and make adjustments. And there you have it, a simple guide to creating a budget. Remember, the holidays are for spending time with loved ones, not breaking the bank. You can enjoy the festivities without the financial stress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Happy budgeting and happy holidays.